Hi class, it's good to be back. So for today's video, we're going to solve one of the problems in our problem set. This is an H problem that involves our lesson about rational function or function in general. Okay, so I hope you remembered all our lessons from the past weeks and apply it in this problem. So okay, let's get started. The present ages of Armie and Job are in the ratio of 3:4. 5 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 4:5. Find their present ages. Okay? The present ages of Armie and Job are in the ratio of 3:4. 5 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 4:5. Find their ages. So, we'll start by writing the given. Given ratio of Armie and Job's present age, 3:4. Okay. Then, let's take a note. Armie and Job's present age ratio. Okay. Then 5 years from now, their ages will be at the ratio of 4:5. Let's note Armie, let's say A and J, age ratio after 5 years. Okay? Required, let's say, present ages. Let's say X, Armie's present age. Y, Job's present age. Okay. Solution. We equate Armie's and Job present age to 3:4. So, Armie is X, Armie's age is X, over Job's present age, Y, is equal to, given states, their present age is at the ratio of 3:4. This is our first equation. Let's label it as first equation. Our second equation is Armie and Job's age ratio after 5 years. So that's Armie's age 5 years from now, so that's X plus 5, over Job's age 5 years from now is equal to 4/5. Okay, so we have two equations and we have two unknowns, X and Y. Let's simplify our first equation. Going to our first equation, we have X over Y is equal to 3/4. Simplify, we have 4X is equals to 3Y. Let's write it in standard form. We have 4X minus 3Y is equal to 0. Okay, so this is our first equation. Second equation, we have, this is our first equation in standard form. Second equation, we have X plus 5. Let's go over here. X plus 5 over Y plus 5 is equal to 4/5. Simplifying, we have 5X plus 25 is equal to 4Y plus 20. Writing in standard form, we have 5X minus 4Y is equal to 20 minus 25, -5. This is our second equation. Now we have two equations, two unknowns. So we have systems of equation. So to solve this, we are going to employ one technique, which is elimination method. So what we do, we write our equation. We have 5x minus 4y is equals to negative 5. And 4x minus 3y is equal to 0. What we're going to do is we want to eliminate one variable and solve for the other variable. So to do that, let's find a way such that if we subtract our equations, we will cancel out one term. Okay, so let's try to cancel out our x. So to make that possible, let's make this as 20x. Next one, we have 20x also. So multiply this by 4. We multiply this by 5. So simplifying, 4 times 5x, we have 20x. Okay? Minus 16y is equals to negative 20. Okay? Then we have 20x, 5 times 4x, minus 15y is equal to 0. So by elimination, subtract our equation. 20x minus 20x is 0x. Negative 16y minus negative 15y. That's negative 16y plus 15y. We have negative y is equal to negative 20 minus 0, negative 20. Solving for y is equals to positive 20. Okay? Now we can solve x by plugging it to one of our equations. So let's try to plug it in our first equation. We have 4x minus 3, y natin, 20, is equal to 0. 4x minus 3 times 20. Negative 3 times 20, negative 60. Minus 60 is equal to 0. 4x is equals to 60. Divide both sides by 4. X is equals to 15. So it means X is the present age of Armie, 15 years old. Y is Job's present age, 20 years old. To check, let's get the ratio, present age ratio. To check present age ratio. Armie SX is equals to 15. Job 20. This is equal to 3/4, which is equal to our given. Armie and Job's present age ratio is 3/4. 5 years from now, Armie will be 15 plus 5, while Job will be 20 plus 5. This is equals to 20/25, or simplifying, their ratio will be 4/5. So check. So our final answer, Armie's age is 15 years old. Job's age is 20 years old. Let's box our final answer. Okay, so that's it. We solved an age problem that requires our understanding in solving rational function. So for more questions, you can message us in our Facebook page or comment down in the video. Thank you, and it's nice to see you again.